Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mandisimo. I am here to unbox and review the Apple AirTag and the Apple AirTag Loop. Before we get into the video though, I want you guys to subscribe, to like, comment, share. Let me know what you want to see me do in the future. It's been a while since I've done one of these like sit down videos because I've been doing a lot of vlogs and I've been trying to switch it up just a bit. Hope you guys enjoy my new YouTube intro. I felt like the older one was a little you know what I'm saying, so I thought that why not spice it up, why not try to show some personality, why not try to make it a little more engaging, a little more entertaining, you know, like Afrobeat some thing, yeah, riff, riff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro and let's just get into the video. So we have the AirTag here. It's supposed to be used to track and find your belongings, you know, small items, maybe your keys, your wallet, whatever that is. So we'll see how that functions today. We'll see how we'll set it up. And this is what comes in it. It comes with the documentation as usual, right? Yeah, documentation, safety and handling, and of course what we really care about, the AirTag. So I didn't get the 4 for $99. Like I said, I don't need it. How do I get this out? So just gonna pop it out. There we go. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna pop this part off. All right, and here we go. The Apple AirTag. And when you pull this out, I guess it's activating it. There's a sound. It activates it because you have closed the circuit, and so the battery inside, which is removable by the way, because this is the first device that Apple has that you can actually change the battery. It's incredible. They're really doing some big things now. Or maybe they're becoming more realistic, who knows. So it has a I think it's CR3032 battery inside. They can change, but this one is supposed to last about a year. So this is the AirTag. It's about, I don't know, let's see, it's about 1.2 inches. That's how big it is compared to an iPhone 6s. I'm recording with an iPhone 12. I would have put it next to it so you can see. This is the AirTag Loop. Put it right there. It actually fits on the box in the little slot. So that's how that looks. For setup, we can go ahead and set that up in a second, but I wanted to unbox the loop as well. And the loop is just to hold the AirTag in place. I guess you can throw it in any little section that you have, but you know, just so we can have a contingency plan, I decided to get the loop as well. Let's see how that looks. And this one might not be as secure as if you have like the Belkin keychain that doesn't have just a regular snap. You know, this one is just like a snap. What if it undoes itself? You know, you never know. And then just to set that up on a bag or something, you just insert it and then you snap it. And then I guess, you know, you put it around. Here's a mirror. Let's just put it around, you know, put it around this. And then that would be, I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Yeah, this would be how you keep that. So it's not that bad, but there's still the idea that it could be lost, right? So I'm gonna take this off just because that was just me testing it out for that. I might put it on a bag or something later today, see how that works. So I'm gonna take it out just for now. And we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Here we have the iPhone 12 Plus to the 12 Pro Max. And I'm going to try to set up the AirTag on there. So it says to bring it close. Okay, it popped up. Nice. We're gonna connect. I'm just gonna call it a custom name. We're gonna call it Black Tag. I'm gonna put the looking eyes. And I'm gonna continue. And it's registered to my number and email address. And it's gonna continue setting up. That's interesting. You just hold it close and it gets set up. To try the precision finding, I clicked it. It brought me to the Find My app. So let's play a sound for this. Nice. So you can't even see the speaker, but it's making a sound, so that's good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it somewhere and then try to find it with the phone. Okay, so I stashed it somewhere in the house and I'm going to try to find it with this. It says it's connected, signal is weak, and it says I should try to move to a different location. So I'm not sure that you could use this. Ooh, it says I'm 18 feet away. I'm not sure that you could use this on luggage, but we'll see. Ooh, there we go. To my right, this is what's to my right. 14 feet ahead, 11, it's getting there, it's taking me upstairs, and it's starting to vibrate. That's interesting. And okay, what happens when you actually get close? Okay, it says here, and that's how you use that. So that's interesting. Let's see what else can happen. I can enable lost mode. Okay, so for lost mode, it says that I will be notified when the location becomes available. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the lost mode. I'm gonna enter a phone number here. I'm gonna click next. What's interesting here is that it's saying that you can only enable this lost mode feature when you're not in close proximity to it. So because I'm basically in the house with the thing, it won't work. So let's try going outside, seeing if that does anything. Still no. Okay, so I can't enable lost mode, but okay, so just a few summary items I thought of. So you cannot turn on lost mode if you're basically in proximity. Well, you can turn it on, but you cannot activate the notification while you're in close proximity to this AirTag. But if you're far away, I'm sure it will happen. And I think, because I purchased it with the notion of possibly using it, you know, in traveling, you know, what if your bag gets lost while you're traveling and you want to say, hey, or let's find out where it is. You can buy a regular tracker or you could try this AirTag, but I don't think the AirTag would be of much help to you because of how close you have to be to even be able to use it. Maybe I'm wrong. You can let me know in the comments. What's pretty cool about this is that you don't have to worry about people tracking you, because it does make a noise and it does give a notification on your phone if your phone notices that an AirTag is following you, and it actually gives you the option to deactivate it or to discontinue the tracking. So that's pretty good. I guess it's a good value, the fact that you can actually change the battery. I would take it out right now, but I don't necessarily want to. But let's see. No, I need something to take it out. Okay, but if you take this silver part off, there is a CR3032 battery behind there that you can replace if the battery ever dies. So that's always a good thing. I probably don't have use for it. I don't lose my things that often. My wallet, everything stays in my bag. So I'll just probably put it in the bag if I lose the bag. But so far, just from the tests and from what I've read with Apple and watching the keynote, it could be improved on a bit, just to incorporate, you know, travel uses, but not too bad. Not a fan of this AirTag loop. I would prefer to have like a keychain where this section doesn't necessarily unsnap that easily, because I feel like, you know, with a little more force than usual, this will just easily open, and then this will get lost, and then I have to activate lost mode, and then it's like, okay, I'm trying to find my bags but the AirTag is lost, or, you know, I'm trying to find my keys but the AirTag came off the loop. Now I gotta find the AirTag and I still won't find my bag. So it's like, okay, what's the point? But if you guys enjoy this video, if you guys have any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comments. I'll comment as well if I find any new findings with using it. I was gonna put it on my dog and have him run away and see if I could find him with it, but maybe that's not the best thing because let's not do that. But thanks for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.